Hey guys, welcome back to another Can I Fix It video. Today we have a Nintendo Wii U. So this is the main console, that's the front of it. And then we have the Nintendo Wii U GamePad. This is the controller. We also got the power adapter for the GamePad, the power brick for the main console, and an HDMI cable. I got all this for $32 plus $18 shipping, and the listing said that the GamePad controller doesn't work anymore. Everything else is in good condition except for this charging cable, which has a little tear down there. I'm gonna hook this up to the TV and see what's going on. Okay, so it's all plugged in now. I can't see any charging light on the GamePad. There's a battery sign here, but there's no light indicating if it's charging or not. I'm gonna press the power button on this. Nothing happens. I'm gonna press the power button here. That seems to be turning on. So this is not working. Even if I hold down the power button, it doesn't turn on. Okay, let's take this to the bench and see what's going on. Okay, I'm gonna plug it in over here. First, I'm gonna check if the port is okay. I'm just gonna move this around. Oh, can you see that? It just started charging. Can you see when I move the wire, it goes off and on? If I hold that there and move the port, I think the port is okay. I think something around this area is going wrong. Let's try and turn it on now. Turn blue. I don't know if you heard it, the console turned on as well. Okay, so this is working. Okay, so it all works. Only problem is the charging point here. So I'm gonna turn this off and I'm gonna take a look at this area. Yeah, so if you take a look at the port here, it seems to be completely fine. And over here, that looks normal as well. So I'm pretty sure it's this area. I'm guessing there's a loose connection over here. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna use my blade and cut along over here. It's hard to pinpoint the area, but I think it's over here. I feel like there's a little bit of a bend over here. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna cut from here to here and then solder the two ends. Gotta make sure not to touch this outside wire with the inside ones. So I'm gonna use a heat shrink around this first and then use a bigger heat shrink around the whole wire, so it's all separated. Okay, I think this is where the problem is, right at the edge. I'm pretty sure I didn't do this. This is already like this. So every time I move this up, it made contact, and when it was down, it wasn't, so the power wasn't going through. Whew, this is going to be a tough one because it's right at the edge and there's not much space. Okay, I got the wires out. I don't know what this white stuff is. Okay, let's tin the cables first with solder. I'm going to coat the wires with the rosin flux first. Before soldering them, I have to send a little heat shrink through. That looks pretty solid. Now I'm gonna put this back and put the heat shrink through. Okay, that's secured quite well. Now I gotta get the negative wire. I'm gonna put a smaller heat shrink around this one. So it's not the prettiest of jobs, but it's quite sturdy. Pretty sure this is not gonna break anytime soon. Let's plug it in and see if it's working. You see that? Orange lights on. Move it around, nothing happens. That's a fix. There's a lot of dust in the vents over here and here.